If you think watching porn is harmless, think again. It's keeping you stuck. It's stealing your confidence and it's wrecking your relationships, and you may not even realize it. In today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm going to give you the 7 reasons why every man out there watching, listening to this right now needs to stop watching porn today. So if you're ready to break free and step into your full potential as a man, guys, stick around because this may be the most important decision of your life. Before we dive a little bit deeper into this here today, let me stop and remind you who we are and what it is we do. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of Rebuilt Recovery and host of the Rebuilt Man podcast. It is our mission to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding their lives. Over the last 5 years, I've walked with over 1,100 men down this journey from stuck and addicted to walking in absolute freedom. And we're giving away all the tools, all the access, all the resources in a community of supportive men inside our brand new free school community. You can join us at school, SKOOL.com/The Rebuilt Man, or click the link down there in the show notes below. 7 reasons, guys. 7 reasons how porn is holding you back and why you need to think about quitting and getting it out of your life today for good. Number 1 is it's hijacking your brain, okay? Porn rewires your brain's reward system, making you crave constant and artificial stimulation. You feel this constant need to always return back to getting something, whether it's mindlessly numb scrolling on social media or actually falling deeper into the addictive behavior of porn consumption. Over time, this is going to dull your ability to experience real pleasure from those real life experiences, guys. So we're going to talk about quitting and how it's going to allow your brain to fully reset, to fully reheal, to fully restore your natural capacity for joy, purpose, meaning, and satisfaction in life, guys. So number 1 here, if you want to walk in absolute freedom and you want to experience the benefits, you need to understand how it's hijacking your brain. Okay, number 2, second reason why you need to quit, because it is destroying your real intimacy, okay? If you don't understand how porn creates unrealistic expectations of sexual relationships and how it leads you to disconnection from your real partner, stop and think about some of your relationships right now. Okay, porn distorts how you view women in intimacy. It makes it hard, almost damn near impossible to form deep, meaningful connections. You know, when I think back over my life when I was stuck and struggling, there were so many amazing people that came into my life, but I always felt alone. I always felt isolated. I always felt no matter where I was that nobody would understand me. I was never fully able to open up and connect because we're keeping this secret. We're holding this part of ourselves back. Porn is destroying our real intimacy, and that's why we need to get it out of our life for good. Okay, the third reason is porn is robbing you of your self-confidence, okay? Whether or not you admit this to yourself or not, porn is breeding shame, guilt, and feelings of inadequacy inside of you. No man, when he's sitting there, pants down his ankles, masturbating and pleasuring himself to some stimulating videos on the internet, feels good about himself. You cannot feel confident in yourself when that is how you spend your personal, private time. Many men don't realize, though, the heavy toll that porn is putting on their self-esteem. Okay, by quitting, you can reclaim back that confidence. You can begin to build yourself up as a man you trust, as a man you love, as a man you respect, walking through life with a sense of pride, respect, because you've been able to strip this pornography addiction completely away. Okay, so the 4th reason you need to think about quitting is porn is going to lead you to struggling and experiencing erectile dysfunction, sexual dysfunction, SAD, as Dr. Trish Lee describes it. Countless studies have shown the link between porn consumption and erectile dysfunctions and many other sexual issues. Okay, all of your sexual performance starts within your brain. Okay, and when your brain has been hijacked, okay, when you've created this false sense of intimacy, when you've created this false sense of expectations around sex, you're going to lead yourself down a path of feeling disappointed and probably even suffering the actual dysfunction disorders. Okay, by eliminating porn out of your life, you can restore your sexual health and vitality, increase your libido, and become way more present, way more connected in life through real life intimacy. You know, it always makes me think about Clay, who's one of our students about a year and a half ago. Clay was a father of two. He's a successful business owner down in the South. He had other creative activities, but he felt the disconnect from his wife. And Clay shared with me on his exit interview out of our program that during the 12-week Reboot Your Life program was the first time he really felt like he was connected, and the first time ever he felt like he was having sex with his wife. A father of two felt for the first time I was having sex with the woman that I call my wife. Powerful, powerful story. And you can only experiencing this by getting on the other side of your addiction. Okay. Number 5, the 5th reason we all need to think about quitting is it's just a waste of your time and energy. Is it a massive time drain? Okay. Whether you're consuming daily or weekly, the time that you spent consuming pornography is time that you can spend pursuing your goals, building yourself up, chasing greatness, reading books, getting in the gym, making money. Okay. And it's not just about that time. Okay. It's about having to get back into a creative state, the suck of your energy and focus. Hours lost in front of a screen are hours that, like I said, you could have spent building your career, building your body up, developing new skills. Okay. Stopping porn, getting it out of your life is going to free that time up, but it's going to create you with more focus, more clarity, more energy, more drive to go out there and become the man that you were called and created to be. Okay. Number 6 here is porn robs you of your masculinity. Okay. There's nothing masculine, men, about standing there, sitting there with your pants around your ankles, tickling yourself to some little videos on a screen. Nothing's masculine about that at all. And that's why you do it in private. And that's why you don't tell anybody about it, because you know it makes you less of a man. It keeps you stuck in this passive, addictive cycle, robbing you of your potential to build, lead, and grow. True masculinity is about strength, discipline, purpose, all qualities that are weakened by the constant porn consumption. Okay, getting this out of your life, creating freedom in your life is going to embrace the fullness of your masculinity and allow you to take back control of your life, guys. So if you want to be a man, if you want to be the man that you were called and created to be, you got to get porn out of your life today. And number 7 here is it is robbing you and blocking you from truly stepping into your potential as a man and destroying your personal growth. Okay, at its core, porn addiction is a barrier to becoming the best man that you can be. Okay. It keeps you stuck in self-sabotaging behaviors. It holds you back from achieving your goals. It keeps you enslaved to not being your authentic self, living with purpose and stepping into your true potential. Guys, when you step porn, in the pathway to quitting porn is going to be through self-growth, through transformation, through unlocking a new identity, a new version of yourself, and making that the aim with which you live your life. 7 reasons why you got to quit, man. It's hijacking your brain. It's destroying your intimacy. It's lowering your self-confidence. It's going to lead you down the path of erectile dysfunction. You're wasting time and energy. It's destroying your masculinity and is robbing you of your growth and potential as a man. Now, like I said, guys, we have launched a brand new community, free school community, where we do bi-weekly live trainings. There's tons of courses and trainings inside of there. There's expert training resources with some of the best guests that we've had on the Superhuman podcast and some of my best friends in the world. But more importantly, there's a community of men like-minded, just like you, that are struggling, that want to help you in the path to unlocking freedom in your life. If you visit school.com, SKOOL.com/The Rebuilt Man, or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can join us inside the community today. But Coach Frank Rich giving you the 7 reasons why all men need to stop quitting porn today and get back control of their life. We love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, rate, review, share this as much as possible. We'll see you on the inside.